Wait till you see what I'm about to clean with this.
Starting off strong, we're gonna do some windows, and oh boy, were my windows being neglected. I had no idea. I have seen so many people use this on so many different things, so when I got this thing up and running, I went on a cleaning spectacular. Our doors and our trim and our windows and our dishwasher and our floor, man. I have had this sticky spot on my entryway for God knows how long, and nothing would get it off. I am so tired of using chemicals in our household because we have a toddler that I am so down for trying some steaming. I knew I was going to love this, but I didn't realize how much I was going to love this and how much I was going to be able to clean with it. I was amazed when I took it to the dishwasher because our little guy sits there and plays with magnets all the time, and nobody wants him playing on a dirty surface. I had no idea when I started cleaning that I was going to go to several different spots in my house, and it did not disappoint. I'm just over here preparing for the winter germ season.